All right, here we go. Let's continue. So use concat and index. So it's concatenate is the actual function. Concat doesn't exist in a Mac. I don't know why they put that on there. That's an old word. So we're going to go to D4. Okay. We're going to hit equals concatenate parentheses. And then we're going to type index, open parentheses. And then it says G8 to G11 on the data sheet. So go to data, G8 to G11. Okay. Notice how the formula bar up here still is on the other page, but it's referring to here now. Okay, we're going to hit comma. And now we're moving to row number. And then we're just going to click on this one below it and then hit the up arrow. Boom. So that gives you data F8. Okay. Just like that. Alright, so that's C. Alright, whoops. Okay, so it says blah blah blah, close the concatenate formula. So we're going to hit parentheses and then hit comma. So now it moves to text 2. Okay, and now we're going to type space. You're going to hit quotations first, and then space, and then you type quarter. So quotation, space, quarter, and quotation, close parenthesis, and then you will hit enter. Boom. Notice how this pops up now. Okay. And we're going to make it bold, italic, and 16. So click it, bold, italic. Change this to 16. Boom. That's what it should look like. Okay. On the data sheet, select third. We're just going to look at the results. Okay. So data, select third. Boom, and go back to sheet. And I don't know what happened here. I think I already deleted something. Oh, I already did this step. Thing is, I had to redo this video because the other one didn't record correctly. So there were contents on yours. You'll have contents here, and they'll change when you change this to third. So, anyways, that's what that is. And so, delete those contents. Whoops. You're calling me now. That's okay. Let me finish this and I'll get back to you. Select sheet and remove lock property. Select D4 and cells D6 to G10. So select D4. Whoops. Okay, select D4 and then hold command and select all these also. Okay. 2-finger click, go to format cells. Boom. You should have a check here. I already did it. So just click here and then hit OK. Boom. And then it'll ask you to delete all these, which I already did. Okay. Great grief, I'm all over the place. Alright, so we did 20. Alright. I'll just cut the video right there.